Yes, Ruchi, your angle is fine. You can start with the ramp walk. Rest of you can also start with your ramp walk, please. Yes, Ruchi, you can sit back comfortably. All right. So those who are done with their ramp walk, आप आराम से बैठ जाइए. Just take a comfortable space wherever you can sit and give your introduction. All right. So we'll start with your introduction one by one. Gurvinder, have you done your ramp walk, Gurvinder ji? Okay. So Ruchi, let's start with your introduction. In your introduction, I will be looking forward to your name, your age, the place that you belong to, what are your hobbies, and what are you passionate about, and why are you here on this platform? Why do you want to participate in Forever Miss or Mrs. India 2021? So these are some specific questions that I'm looking forward to. Ruchi, let's start with your introduction. Okay, first you have to unmute yourself. आप mute पे हैं.
Sorry, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. This is Ruchi. I belong to Uttarakhand, and my age is 34, and I am working in Karam industry right now. I'm assistant manager, and my hobbies are I like to play chess, and I'm very passionate about this journey. I just want to do it because it's my can say it was my dream actually, and see it's going to come true. And pageant is my dream. That's it I want to say.
Okay, so Ruchi, you said that you love playing chess. So
Yes.
have you played it at some level, like state level or national level?
No, ma'am. Actually, this is only my hobby. I play with my
You
own.
just like doing it. Apart from
brother.
playing chess, is there anything else that you like to do?
Oh, ma'am, I'm workaholic.
Okay, you're a workaholic. So you're working as an assistant manager in
The accounts department.
Okay, okay. All right, that's nice. So when you say that it has been a dream for you to become, to become a part of such a pageant. So what do you think is going to happen here? For example, if you clear today's audition, so what do you think is going to happen next on this platform? Do you have any idea about beauty pageants?
Actually, ma'am, no idea. Actually, I'm seeing in TV only, not any more knowledge about it. But just only see YouTube and all that. That's that much experience only.
Okay, okay. So and professionally, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
I want to be a more success, and it's my dream to become a famous. That's it.
Okay, you want to be famous in the next 5 years. All right. So
And do
I'll get back to
something
you.
special. I want to do something more special because women are now these times women are very backward. Nobody wants to sit with them. जो भी हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव जो हम साथ में वर्क करते हैं वो कभी भी ये नहीं चाहते हैं कि लड़कियां या औरतें हमारे साथ बैठे. तो मैं बस उसी सोच को हटाना चाहती हूँ और वही कर रही हूँ. अभी ऑफिस में भी मैं वही कर रही हूँ. तो वो जो एक लेवल होता है ना उसको थोड़ा सा आगे ले जाना चाहती हूँ. That's it.
Okay, okay. So in a way, you want to break that glass ceiling which exists for all women across the world,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Okay. All right, Ruchi, I'm sure you are going to do wonders in life. And I'll get back to you. Saras, could I have your introduction, please?
Hi,
Hello.
I'm Saras Dashare from Nagpur.
Okay. और कुछ बताइए सरस. कंफर्टेबल, फील कंफर्टेबल. आपको हिंदी में बात करनी है, आप हिंदी में बात कीजिए. इफ यू कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश, यू कैन कीप द कॉन्वर्सेशन इन इंग्लिश. लेकिन मुझे आपके बारे में जानना है ना. आप किस, क्या आपको पसंद है, आप क्यों इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आना चाहते हो, आप किस चीज के लिए पैशनेट हैं. सो यू नो योर इनर डिजायर्स, आई रियली वांट टू नो दैट. यस.
My age is 25 now. Before someday I lost my everything. और उसके बाद अब मुझे मीन्स कुछ चाहिए था मुझे फोकस करने के लिए कहीं और. तो मैंने सोचा कि एक खुद की पहचान बनाने के लिए इससे अच्छा मौका और कहीं मिल नहीं सकता मुझे. तो मैंने इसे ज्वाइन किया है. और ऐसा कुछ एम नहीं है मुझे कि मैं शायद आगे जाऊं या ना जाऊं, बट चाहती हूँ कि इसमें आगे जाऊं. मैं बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे जब मैंने देखा सबको इसमें, तो मुझे भी मन किया कि नहीं मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, तो ट्राई किया इसलिए मैंने बस. और मेरी हॉबी है, मैं सबको खुश रखती हूँ. के साथ
अच्छा.
सबके यानी कि फेस में स्माइल आना मेरी सबसे बड़ी हॉबी है.
ठीक है. इसके अलावा कुछ और आपको करना पसंद है? गार्डनिंग, पेंटिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, एनीथिंग स्पेसिफिक?
डांसिंग में कभी भी शुरू हो जाती हूँ कहीं भी. और दूसरी बात, मुझे ड्राइविंग बहुत पसंद है. मैं कहीं भी ड्राइविंग सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है.
ड्राइविंग बहुत पसंद है आपको. ठीक है.
हाँ.
सर, प्रोफेशनली आप क्या करना चाहते हो लाइफ में?
मैं अभी फिलहाल तो अकाउंटिंग करती हूँ. और अभी तक मेरा ऐसा कुछ एम नहीं था एकदम क्रिएटेड, बट अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोगों के साथ ज्वाइन करके इसको ही प्रोफेशनल बनाऊं.
ओके ओके, ऑलराइट सरस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हम, वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपके अंदर होना चाहिए ना कि ये तो यू नो दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज मेंट फॉर मी और मैं इसमें आगे जाऊंगी ही जाऊंगी. तो ये कभी नहीं बोलना है कि मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी या नहीं बढ़ूंगी. अगर बढ़ूंगी तो मैं ये करूंगी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट व्हाइल यू टॉकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ.
मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा किया है. मैंने कभी
आई
किसी का
अंडरस्टैंड. सी, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि इतने सारे लोगों के सामने अपने बारे में बात करना, इट्स नॉट दैट इजी, राइट? इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज फ्रॉम योर साइड. लेकिन वो कॉन्फिडेंस हम आपके अंदर बिल्ड करने वाले हैं. अभी मैं डिटेल में बताऊंगी इस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, ठीक है? लेकिन आगे से ही कभी नहीं बोलना है कि मैं आगे जाऊंगी या नहीं. आपको यही बोलना है कि मैं 100% जाऊं,
yes.
राइट? So I'll get back to you, Saras. Arunima, could I have your introduction, please?
Ma'am, very good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Arunima. My age is 21 and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur. And basically I belong to Mirzapur, but now currently I am living in Pune. I'm working with a bank which is named as Tush Bank. And in my free time I love dancing.
Okay. क्यों participate करना चाहते हो अरुणिमा? Why do you want to participate in Forever Miss India?
I want to participate just because I want to show everyone that I have courage कि मैं ऐसा कर सकती हूँ. Just because I am from a very little city, you know about Mirzapur, ma'am.
Yeah, so it is one of the most famous cities across the world, I'm sure, ना? इस नाम पे जब सीरीज बन सकती है, and you know we have been, all of us have been watching it with so much interest. So you do not belong to a small city. Just get that very clear. Yes, it's a very famous city. But I can understand the kind of environment that the city has, and you want to prove it to the world that yes, you can do it, right?
I want to see me full of respect, जो कि वो नहीं करते. I want to prove myself that I can do anything, and I know where I am in future, ma'am.
Right, right. That makes complete sense. And I love your confidence when you say that I want to prove it to everyone that I can do anything. And you know, that's what the spirits of everyone should be here. All right, Arunima, I will get back to you. Bindu Sharma, could I have your introduction?
Yeah, hi ma'am, I'm Bindu Sharma and I'm from Delhi. Basically, I'm from Himachal, but I live with my mother last 12 years in Delhi, and I'm working in detective agency last 8 years. And my hobbies, I love to listen songs, Punjabi songs mainly. I really love that, and mostly a sad song. And and I also like making reels like in Instagram, and so I really want to be famous in social media, and I want that. So I always to do, when I'm free, anytime in office or my home, I always to do a makeup and start a reel. And Miss India, when actually जब मैं 7 और 8 years की थी, तब मैं लोगों के घर टीवी देखने जाती थी, एंड मैं ऐश्वर्या राय को देख मतलब वो मेरे फेवरेट हैं। जब मैं बहुत छोटी थी तो मैं हमेशा देखती थी वो मिस इंडिया बने थे, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि मैं भी मिस इंडिया हूँ, एंड मैं हमेशा अपनी मॉम की साड़ी पहन के मतलब लाइक हाय लाइक लाइक दिस, एंड आई ऑलवेज टू टॉक माय फ्रेंड्स के एक दिन मैं मिस इंडिया बनूंगी। बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट के मेरी फैमिली में मेरे फादर्स को अलाउ नहीं करते थे, लाइक मीन्स ये सब चीजें। एंड मैंने एक बार मॉडलिंग के लिए ट्राई किया, बट शायद वो मतलब मीन्स मुझे वो लोग अच्छे नहीं मिले, देन मैंने क्विट कर दिया बिकॉज बहुत था उसमें।
ओके, 1 सेकेंड। गुरविंदर जी, मैं आपको म्यूट पे कर रही हूँ जब तक कि आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन की टर्न नहीं आती है। Okay, all right, Bindu, but that's pretty interesting. You're working in a detective agency for the last 8 years. So is it something that you're passionate about? आपको पसंद है वो काम करना जो अभी आप कर रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am. But when I started here, actually मेरे को नहीं पता था डिटेक्टिव होता क्या है। So मैंने एज अ रिसेप्शनिस्ट ज्वाइन किया था, एंड इन माय ऑफिस मींस मैं ऐसी हूँ जो मल्टीटास्किंग हूँ, एंड जो जस्ट 8 years में मैंने असिस्टेंट मैनेजर में बन गई, क्योंकि मैंने डिप्टी मैनेजर की पोस्ट पे काम किया, एंड मैंने अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया, एंड देन मैं अब अपने बॉस के अंडर काम करती हूँ। सो मींस मेरे ऑफिस में ऐसा कोई नहीं है, मतलब हर कोई सिर्फ एक ही उस पे काम किया है सबने, मतलब एक ही सीट पे। जैसे कोई अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट में है तो कोई 40 years से सिर्फ अकाउंट डिपार्टमेंट में है, बट मी इन 8 years लाइक मैं हर एक सीट पे बैठ के काम कर चुकी हूँ। सो या दैट्स गुड।
Yes, so you love doing what you do, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, all right, Bindu. So I will get back to you with the details of the project and the platform that you're on. And we are actually looking for women who are multi-talented, right? आप कुछ कर रहे हो, but you really want to explore life, right? So that this is something that every woman should relate to, right? Because we are capable of doing almost everything. And the kind of people, the kind of women you're going to see here, everyone will be unique. हर कोई different होने वाला है, like we are not similar to each other. बहुत difference है हमें, हमारे passions different हैं, हमारी aspirations different हैं, लेकिन ultimately we want to prove a point to ourselves and to our society, right? So yes, thank you so much, Bindu, for introducing yourself. And Neha, can I have your introduction?
Sure, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, please tell me.
As you know my name is Neha. I'm 22 years old. Basically, I belong from Himachal Pradesh, but currently I'm living in Chandigarh. And I did my graduation in BSc Non-Medical. During my graduation days, I was an active participant of NCC. And I was there in the national camp, which was All India Vayu Sainik camp. I was there in the drill team. And yes, ma'am. And my hobbies include aeromodeling. Aeromodeling is the best hobby. I love listening to music, and I sing with that, but I'm a horrible singer. That's it about myself.
So why do you want to participate in this beauty pageant, Neha?
Ma'am, I want to serve my nation, like whether it's from army or it's like this beauty pageant. During this pandemic, I came to learn many things. Okay, you have to be limitless. You don't know whether you'll see tomorrow or not. So when I saw this form, I just felt like I should fill this up. And yes, ma'am, I want to experience everything. I want to just learn everything.
All right. So you want to explore this side of yours, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And professionally, what do you wish to do, Neha? Is this something you want to get into modeling professionally, or is there something else that you would want to do as a profession?
Ma'am, professionally, I want to be an army officer.
Okay. And how old are you, Neha?
22 years old, ma'am.
You're just 22. All right, Neha. So I'll get back to you. Neha Singh, could I have it from you, please?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Neha Singh. I'm 30 years old.
Okay, Neha, you have some network problem. I cannot hear.
So, wait a minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so till the time Neha is trying to sort it out, Shweta Mishra.
Hello.
Hello. Ma'am, can you hear me properly?
No, Neha, the problem is still there. I think you should log in from some other device. This problem is with your device only. You can try logging in from some other phone if that's possible.
Let me just try once. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So Shweta, tell me something
Give me
about.
2 minutes. I'll.
Okay.
All right. Can I continue, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. As you know, ma'am, my name is Shweta Mishra, and I'm married, and I got married last year only in December 2020. Professionally, I work with Amazon Institute of Hotel Management. I serve as assistant lecturer there. I have completed my master's last year only, and after that I decided to come in this profession, like teaching. I really love teaching, and people have this assumption that teachers cannot be this beauty pageants and everything. We have this thing in colleges also. We think, okay, but I think after I watched Mahuna and everything, I thought a teacher are the most beautiful people we can see. That is why I have decided to fill up this form. What happened is I was just scrolling through Facebook, and I just saw this I saw this pop up and everything. I thought, let's do it. We can do it. Like as you told, ma'am, that we are capable to do it. So I thought, let's give it a chance. Let's try. Let's explore. As we know that what will happen, I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to give it a try. And my hobbies, I love cooking. I have participated in MasterChef India. Like I got out in the Mumbai audition because that time I had no knowledge. Then I pursued the culinary course. And
Okay.
people have this assumption about me that she got married, now she has no hobby. Her husband is so wealthy, that is why she got married. And I started working, like I got married in December, I started working in January. And it is not about earning money, it's about being independent. That is what I believe. Every girl should be independent. If your husband is earning crores of rupees, that's okay, that's very good, but it's something about you. If you're earning 50,000 also, it's about your personality, it's about you doing efforts for that. My husband actually doesn't live with us, he is a sailor, he's in merchant navy. I live with my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, and that is also a big thing in this. I'm not saying that everybody doesn't do that, we should do that. It's about the mental we can say mental comfortableness, right? So I just wanted to do it, I just wanted to give it a chance, I just wanted to explore, and that's all about me.
All right, Shweta. So when you said that you love to cook, could you tell me like what is your favorite dish to cook, or any specific cuisine that you like cooking?
Italian.
Okay. So anything specific in Italian?
I make amazing spaghetti, like amazing one.
Okay. All right. So I'm just, feeling hungry when you talk about spaghetti right now. So yes, we might get a chance to, eat what you have to cook in the grand finale. Yes. And what you're saying totally makes sense, right? We are independent entities. We are nowhere really. We have a husband, we have a family, but that doesn't mean that if our husbands are, wealthy, or if they're earning really well, then we are not supposed to do anything. No, right? We need to be independent, and we need to know what our worth is. So what you've said is on point, Shweta. I'll get back to you. Simran, could I have it from you?
Hello. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Simran.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Simran. I live in Rohtak. I'm 18 years old. as I'm a medical student, I took 2 years drop for NEET entrance. NEET basically a medical entrance. But I didn't get in India. I didn't get medical college in India, so I tried in Nepal. So basically, now I'm going to do MBBS for next 5 years in Nepal. My family, there are 4 members in our family: my mother, my grandmother, my younger brother, and me. My mother is a single parent, and my hobbies include dancing, singing, acting. And as I'm very health conscious, so I like to do exercise on daily basis. And my main aim is to become the great doctor in India.
All right. Okay, Simran, you actually looked pretty young to me, but now when you're talking, you're looking like a small kid to me, and your voice is really cute. And I am really impressed when you say that I want to become a doctor. And at this age, when you have a lot of aspirations, that completely shows that how serious you are for your goals. So thank you so much, Simran, for talking about yourself. Gurvinder Kaur, आप बताएंगे अपने बारे में कुछ?
हाँ जी, I'm Gurvinder Kaur. I'm 47 years old.
Okay.
मैं भोपाल. I live in Bhopal. Basically, I'm from Nagpur.
All right, Gurvinder जी, क्या पसंद है आपको करना? आपकी हॉबीज क्या हैं?
मैं हॉबीज मुझे कुकिंग का शौक है बहुत.
क्या कुक करना अच्छा लगता है सबसे ज्यादा?
नॉन वेज.
Okay.
Punjabi. I always love to cook non-veg.
Okay. No, that's really nice. Non-veg में कुछ specific बनाती हैं आप? बहुत अच्छा.
Tandoori and butter chicken.
Okay. Oh my God. So I am not a non-vegetarian. So yes, I'm not feeling so hungry after listening to it. But yes, I'm sure the participants. So ठीक है गुरविंदर, बताइए आप क्यों आई हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, क्यों पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहती हैं फॉरएवर मिसेस इंडिया में?
बस my son motivate me to do this. मैं आगे जाना चाहती हूँ.
ओके. तो पहले कभी आपने किसी ब्यूटी पैजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया है?
नहीं. This is the first time.
This is your first time. Hats off to your motivation, Gurvinder ji. आपकी एज भी अच्छी है, and still you are such a lively person, and you have been laughing all this while. So yes, thank you so much for coming on this platform, and thank you so much for introducing yourself. Okay. So now that we're done with everyone's introduction, आप mute पे ही रहिएगा, Gurvinder ji, right? So yes, now that we've listened to each one of you, let me just give you a brief about the platform so that you have an idea कि हम कहाँ पे आए हैं, हम किस में participate करना चाहते हैं. So a very important thing, this is not just a beauty pageant that you are coming in. It is a huge platform that we have created to make a community. Our main goal is to create a community of like-minded professionals, of like-minded women like you, of talented women like you. यानी कि हमारा जो गोल है वो एक कम्युनिटी बनाने का है, ऐसी कम्युनिटी जहां पे हम एक दूसरे को इंस्पायर कर सकें, एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर सकें ग्रो करने में, right? Because see, generally in competitions what happen is that we compete with each other, right? हम एक दूसरे के साथ compete करते हैं कि नहीं मुझे इससे better बनना है, मुझे इससे अच्छी rank walk करनी है, मुझे इससे अच्छा दिखना है. But here that is not going to happen. Here, Arunima, your competition is going to be with yourself, right? We are going to judge you on the progress that you are making. For example, आज आपने जो rank walk किया, that was average, right? But once the team trains you, 1 month में आप में कितना difference आता है, आप कितनी अच्छी rank walk करते हैं, that is going to be your progress, और उसी के basis पे आपको score किया जाएगा. यहाँ पे किसी के साथ कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं होगा. गेट दैट क्लियर. सेकेंडली, जब ये बात आपको क्लियर हो जाती है कि हम यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं, एंड as soon as you participate, because now you have given your audition, in a day or two, probably by Tuesday, you will be receiving your audition reports, right? So this is the first across the country, first beauty pageant across the country, which is giving the participants an audition report, whether you're selected or you're not selected. यानी कि आपको बहुत ही ट्रांसपेरेंसी के साथ ये चीज बताई जाएगी कि अगर आपका सिलेक्शन हुआ है तो किस बेसिस पे हुआ है, अगर आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ तो किस बेसिस पे नहीं हुआ, so that you can work on yourself, right? Because see, that's what we are living for, right? We are living for our own self. हम खुद को हर दिन improve करते हुए देखना चाहते हैं. And once you clear the audition, you receive your audition report, you will be completing the participation process, जिसके बाद आपको एक lifetime membership दी जाएगी इस community की. Just like you have your profile on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, उसी तरीके से आपकी profile FCR, Forever Star India Awards की community पे बना दी जाएगी. And this profile, mind my words, is going to be here forever. That's what the name suggests, कि आपकी profile यहाँ पे हमेशा रहने वाली है. And how is this profile going to help you? I'm sure आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि अच्छा lifetime membership मिल रही है तो उससे मुझे क्या benefit होगा? So when I say that each one of you is unique और आपकी uniqueness को हम embrace करने वाले हैं. For example, when I say you all are from different backgrounds, somebody is a professor, somebody is a homemaker, someone is a student, right? Aspiring doctors. तो आपके backgrounds अलग-अलग हैं, but जब हमारी team आप पे काम करेगी, then you will come to know that yes, this is my quality, right? Shweta, like you said, that I love to cook. लेकिन आपका background बिल्कुल different है. आप you have been into teaching, but आपको cook करना भी पसंद है. You also want to show it to the world that yes, we can do everything. I can do a ramp walk as well. I can do my makeup as well. मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. तो जब आपका overall यहाँ पे training and grooming होगा, उसके बाद में on the basis of your capabilities, we will be giving you various business opportunities, right? वो आपको as a cook भी मिल सकती है, वो आपको as a singer, as a dancer, as a speaker कैसे भी मिल सकती है, because अभी हमारी टीम में 150 plus trainers हैं जो आपको train करेंगे, right? तो हो सकता है next year आपकी profile और आपके performance के basis पे हम आप ही के साथ collaborate करें as our official trainer. Secondly, जब ये lifetime membership आपको मिल जाती है, इसके बाद आप यहाँ पे 4 to 5 months की training होगी इस beauty pageant के लिए, because the grand finale happens in December, right? So before December, you have good number of months with you. So every week you will have 1 to 2 training sessions, just sitting at your home. You do not need to travel anywhere. Once a week, you just have to come on Zoom, and our experts from the industry are going to teach you. For example, the talent round 1 is on the basis of your talent. So whatever you feel is your talent. For example, आपको लगता है मैं डांस बहुत अच्छा करती हूँ, तो उसके लिए an image consultant, an internationally certified image consultant is going to train you for that round. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप directly talent round 1 में appear करेंगे. First we'll be training you, then you will be appearing for that round. Second round will be on the basis of your makeup skills, your photography. So we will have a trainer who's going to teach you how to do a basic makeup. Then we will have an influencer, a photographer who's going to teach you that how you should be taking, nice photographs of your own self. अपने घर पे बैठ के आप अपने phone से अच्छी photographs कैसे ले सकते हैं. And then a ramp walk expert is going to train you that how you should be doing your ramp walk with all the technical details. So this is just the beginning that I'm talking about. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, हर city से एक winner select करेंगे, right? So we'll be taking everything step by step. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा stress लेना है that how will I become the winner? I'm not from this background. You just take things, one step at a time, right? So once you appear for these 3 rounds, we will have a city winner. यानी कि हर city में से हम एक city winner select करेंगे, and then all the city winners will come together for the crowning of state winner. यानी कि सारा आपका training and grooming का process online होगा, virtual होगा, लेकिन grand finale जो December में हम गोवा में plan कर रहे हैं, वहां पे अगर आप अपनी city से भी winner बनते हैं, तो भी आप वहां पे आएंगे. For example, अरुणिमा, अगर आप मिर्जापुर से बनती हैं, Forever Miss India मिर्जापुर, right? So you will be coming all the way to Goa for getting that crown, because training online हो सकती है, लेकिन जो हमारा crown है वो हमें live मिलना चाहिए. So it is going to be a grand event of 7 to 10 days. वहाँ पे live coverage होगी. All the major media houses are going to be present there. And yes, so once the event happens, after that, also you will have access to the general grooming sessions which happen on this platform. And as I said, कि आपको बहुत सारी business opportunities यहाँ पे मिलने वाली हैं. One of which is that we are going to launch our own OTT platform. हम 2022 के end में अपना खुद का Forever Star India का OTT platform launch करेंगे. I'm sure everyone knows about OTT. Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar. These platforms have been a savior for us. लेकिन आपको इन platforms पे मौका कब मिलता है खुद को showcase करने का? Only if you have strong contacts. That's what happens. मुंबई जाते हैं, वापस आ जाते हैं. But this industry is so difficult and so different कि अगर आपके contacts नहीं हैं, you cannot make it there. But here, what will happen is कि अगर आप इस platform के member हैं, आपके पास lifetime membership है, and you're capable of anything, say acting, dancing, choreographing, or script writing, then we are going to give you that opportunity directly without any middlemen involved. कोई नहीं होगा बीच में, directly आपको ये opportunity दी जाएगी. And yes, this is how you'll get your first break. So these are just a few opportunities that I'm telling you. Please go through our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube handles. These details will be shared with you by Monday, right? Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, because only then you'll come to know that what kind of trainers do we have. हमारे पास किस तरीके के trainers हैं, वो कैसे आपको train करेंगे, कैसे आपकी classes होंगी. तो अगर आप इन platforms को follow करते हैं तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा clarity आ जाएगी. One very important thing, that you've already paid a registration fee of 699 rupees. That was for audition. But for completing the participation process, you will be paying a fee of 3500 plus GST, 3500 plus GST. But there are no hidden charges apart from this. इसके अलावा आपको कोई amount नहीं pay करना है. यानी कि 3500 plus GST में आपको lifetime membership, आपके training and grooming sessions, and the opportunities that you're getting on this platform. ये सारा कुछ आपको इस minimum amount में दिया जाएगा. Anything that you do not get about the platform, कुछ और clarity आपको चाहिए, process के बारे में, please feel free to ask. I'm all yours. Just fire your questions. Okay, so everyone is sorted. आपको बिल्कुल clear है सब कुछ platform के बारे में. See, later also if there's anything that you don't understand, कुछ आप social media handles जब check करते हैं, फिर अगर आपको लगे कि मुझे ये चीज clear नहीं है, then you can for sure get in touch with my customer support team. They will be there to answer all your queries, right? So I am really excited to see most of you in the training sessions, and thank you so much for appearing for today's audition. All the best and have a beautiful evening. Have a beautiful Saturday, all of you. Thank you.